You are here to learn how to make perfect neckline for your senator wear, which is the second of the 3 episodes of this amazing design. It is not as difficult as you may have thought. Come, let me show you how. Welcome to the NeedleMeister channel. I am Olabanjo Isaiah. To make a perfect neckline, you need something stretchy, which can only be found not at the length of your fabric, nor at the breadth, but at the diagonal of your fabric. In other words, along the bias. Measure the length required to tape round the neck. Measure at least 2.5 inches for the width of the bias. You must have known me long before now that when it comes to how thick or slim something should be, I don't like giving specification. I love seeing you doing it in such a way that is beautiful in your sight, in such a way that suits you, that satisfies you and your client. So instead of me saying, I measure half here, I measure one, I measure two, I will say, watch me and learn. It is important I speak here, my people. When wrapping this side around the bias, wrap it in such a way that there is little space in between the edge. Do not be extreme. Do not wrap it tight. Let there be a little space in between the gator formed and the edge of the bias. Now with our steam iron, we are going to curve this straight neckline. Now let's take this to the neck. Your neckline is very beautiful when the stitches are at the extreme edge of both sides. You are advised to be as slow as snail when sewing your neckline, because it is beautiful when you do it slow and you come out with perfect stitch than you do it with speed and you come out with something not too close to perfection. Also, you can see how I am ensuring that the edge of the neck is touching the end of the pipe. Very important, please note this. Pipe is the same thing as the neckline. Depends on the word you want to use. Neck piping or neckline, they are both the same. I notice I've been saying pipe. Now we will switch to the other side for stitches too. We can both agree that this neck is looking very ugly, and this is where the beauty of good ironing skill comes in. Let's beautify this neckline with iron, please. If so far you have derived one or two knowledge from this tutorial and you want me to be doing more of this, hit the like button. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you feel about the whole procedure. This way, I'm going to be of the awareness that there are people wanting more of this from me, and I will take note of whatsoever observation that you make in your comments. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. that you may always get notification whenever I drop new tutorials. Thank you very much. This will be all concerning making of perfect neckline for your kaftan, which is the second of 3 episodes for the beautiful design you're seeing on the screen right now. The last episode, there we are going to talk about how to make sleek straight plackets, and in that episode also we are going to finish our unfinished job on the plates. Welcome once again to NeedleMeister channel. I am Olabanjo Isaiah. Please be my guest on the concluding episode.